Hello. In this session, we will see Newton forward interpolation formula. In Unit 4 of Mathematics 2, there are four types of problems are there. Newton forward interpolation formula, Newton backward interpolation formula, Lagrange's interpolation formula, Newton divide difference and formula. In this session, we will see Newton forward interpolation formula. I will discuss four problems on Newton forward interpolation formula. Okay, if you are able to understand and solve these four problems, means 100% guarantee that in final exams you will able to answer 7 marks or 8 marks question from this unit. It is very easy and scoring unit in mathematics 2. In this session we will see Newton forward interpolation formula. I will explain four problems. These are the problems in Newton forward interpolation formula. Four problems are there. I will explain first two problems. Rest of the two problems are assignment work. Today you have to solve the example 3 and example 4 problem. In the first problem, this is the value of x 1.7, 1.8, 1.92. They are given corresponding y values. They are asking what is the value of y at x equal to 1.75. In second problem also, they are given the value tabular values of x and y. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are given corresponding values of y. They are asking what is the value of y at x equal to 0.5. Similarly, third problem, fourth problem. If we observe all these problems, one common factor is the difference between the intervals is same. For 1.7, 1.8, the difference is 0.1. 1.8 and 1.9, the difference is 0.1. And 1.9 and 2.0, the difference is 0.1. In second problem also, all the x values are equally spaced. Initial value is x naught, next value is x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h, x naught plus 3h, x naught plus 4h, and so on. Okay, similarly, Newton forward interpolation or Newton backward interpolation, if we applying these methods means the difference between the first or all the values of x are equally placed. If and then only we can apply these methods, Newton forward interpolation. Newton forward interpolation method, the value of x 1.7, 5.474, 1.8, 6.050, 1.9, 2.0, these are the values. Solve this problem using Newton forward interpolation method. Here solution is by data we have given that by data we have. They are asking the what is the value of y corresponding to x equal to 1.75. Y equal to what is the value of y? This is the problem. Just I am once again written the problem. By data we have there the given table. They are asking what is the value of y at the value of x equal to 1.75. This problem we will solve using Newton forward interpolation method. Okay, first in order to solve this problem, first we have to construct one table. Newton forward differentiation table. In order to solve this problem first, we have to construct Newton forward differentiation table. The Newton forward differentiation table is forward the Newton forward differentiation table is, this is the Newton forward differentiation table. We will write the values of x, y, x 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2.0. The value of y corresponding x equal to 1.7 is 5.474. 1.8 6.050, 1.9 6.686, 2.0 7.389. The first difference delta y. Delta y means forward difference. This one minus this one. Delta y means y1, delta y1 equal to y1 minus y2 minus y1. Delta y0 equal to y1 minus y0. Okay, this is the value of y0, y1, y2, y3. This one minus this one equal to delta y. 6.050 minus 5.474. We will get 0.576. The difference between 6.050 minus 5.074, 0.576, 0.636. Next, 7.389 minus 6.686. We will get 0.703. This is the first order forward differences. Using these first order forward differences, we will compute the second order forward differences. Delta square of y. Delta square of y equal to 0.636 minus 0.576, 0.06. 0.703 minus 0.636. 0.70 minus 0.636 equal to 0.067. Next, third order differences. Delta cube of y. Delta cube of y equal to 0.067 minus 0.06. That equal to 0.007. Okay, this is the Newton forward differentiation table. For this type of problems, first thing we have to construct Newton forward differentiation table. This is the Newton forward differentiation. This is the x values corresponding y values. Subtracting this one minus this one, we will get this one minus this one. Like this, we will construct this problem. In formula, in forward differentiation, we will use these values. This one, and this one. If the method is backward differentiation, we will use this one and this one and this one and this one. Forward differentiation means delta of y naught, delta square of y naught, delta cube of y naught. Okay, we will use forward differentiation, we will use these values. Next, we will see the formula for solving Newton forward interpolation method problems. The formula is y of x equal to y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta cube y naught and so on. This is the formula for solving Newton forward interpolation formulas. This is very important. In order to solve the problem of Newton forward interpolation, we must able to write this formula. Once again, y of x equal to y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught and so on. Okay, in this one, this is the y naught value. This is the delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, or delta 4 y naught. Delta, all the terms are equal to 0. What is the delta cube y naught? 0.007. What is the delta power 4 of y naught? 0. Delta power 5 of y naught is 0. Okay, in this one we have to know what is the value of u. The difference between this one and this one, h equal to x1 minus x0, 1.8 minus 1.7, 0.1. U equal to, next we have to compute the value of u. Here the value equal to x0 plus UH equal to 1.75. We have to compute the value at 1.75. X equal to x0 plus UH equal to 1.75. We have to compute the what is the value of u. U equal to 1.75 minus what is the value of x0? This is the x0 value, x1 value, x2, x3. x0 is 1.7. 1.7 by h. H equal to 0.1. What is the value of 1.75 minus 1.75? 0.1. 1.75 minus 1.7 is 0.05 by 0.1. That equal to 0.5. The value of u equal to 0.5. Here we have to compute the value of 1.75. x0 plus UH. X equal to x0 plus UH. x naught is the starting value, x naught equal to 1.7. H is the difference between any two successive x values, x1 minus x naught 0.1, 1.75 minus 1.75 0.1, that equal to 0.5. Now we will compute the value of y of x. Just substitute these values here. Okay, y of x equal to y of 1.75 equal to y naught. What is the value of y naught? This is the x naught, y naught. 5.474 plus u into delta y naught. The value of u is 0.5. 0.5 into delta y naught. Delta y naught is 0.576. Y naught, delta y naught 0.576 plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught. U is 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 by 2 factorial is equal to 2. Delta square y naught. Delta square y naught is 0.06 into 0.06 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube by naught. U, the value of u is 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 by 3 factorial. 3 2s are 6 into delta cube by naught. Delta cube by naught is 0.007. Okay. The calculator must be required in order to solve this type of expressions. In calculator, we can, how to solve this expression using calculator? We will take 4.74 plus 0.5 into this one plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 into answer. Once again, type these values, we will get the direct in calculator. In one step, we will solve all these expressions. Using calculator, we will solve these expressions. Okay, here these are the values. 5.474 plus 0.288 minus 0.0075 plus 0.00044. We will solve this one means 5.75494. 5.75494. 5.75494. This is the problem. Therefore, the value of y at x equal to 1.75 is the value of y at x equal to 1.75 is 5.75494. In this fashion, we will solve the problem. Once again, we will see the steps in this problem, Newton forward interpolation. This is the given table. We have constructed the forward differentiation table. X, y values, delta y, delta square y, delta cube y. Okay, this one minus this one here, this one minus this one here, this one minus this one here, we have constructed. Delta cube of y equal to 0.067 minus 0.06. In the formula, we will use these values. Okay, the formula for Newton forward differentiation is this one. Y of x equal to y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught and so on. Here, these are the important steps. Calculate the value of h. The value of h is 1.9 minus 1.8 or 1.8 minus 1.7. h equal to x1 minus x naught. 1.8 minus 1.7 equal to 0.1. x naught plus uh equal to, in this formula term u is there. The value of x naught plus uh equal to u equal to 1.75 minus x naught 1.7 by h equal to 0.1. 0.1. We will get the value of u is 0.5. It is very important to derive the value of u. After getting the value of u, just we have to perform the substitutions. y of 1.75 equal to y naught value. Where is this y naught? This is the y naught, y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught. All those values we will substitute and simplify. In order to simplify this expression, we must use calculator. Writing mathematics 2 exam, the calculator is must, very very important. If manually we will do means this calculation means it will take a lot of time. Okay, just in calculator directly type all these equations or values, we will get the value. 5.474 plus 0.288 minus 0.0075 plus 0.00044. We will get the value 5.75494. Therefore, the final statement of the problem, the value of pi at x equal to 1.75 is 5.75494. This is the first problem in Newton forward interpolation formula. In order to solve this one, once again I am repeatedly saying, this is the formula for Newton forward interpolation. Second problem on Newton forward interpolation formula. The given data is this one. The value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The corresponding values are 0, 1, 6, 81, 256, 625, 1296. They are asking what is the value of y corresponding x equal to 0.5. At x equal to 0.5, what is the value of y? This is the problem. First, these type of problems, first we have to construct Newton forward differentiation table. Newton forward differentiation table is Newton forward differentiation table is Newton forward differentiation. Newton forward differentiation table is, first we have to construct Newton forward differentiation table for this type of problems. The Newton forward differentiation table is, the first we will write the values of x and the values of y. X, y, x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The given corresponding y values are x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Y value is 1, 6, 81, 256, 625, 1296. Next we have to compute delta y. Delta y equal to 1 minus 0, 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 81 minus 6. What is the value of 81 minus 6? 75. 81 minus 6, 75. 256 minus 81, 175. 625 minus 256, 369. 671. Delta y, the value of y we will write at the middle of these two. 0, 1 at the middle one. 1, 6 at the middle of this one. 681 at the middle of this one. 256 minus 81. 625 minus 256. 1296 minus 625. 671. This is the values. These are the values of delta y. Next we will write the delta square y. The values of delta square y are delta square y equal to 5 minus 1, 4, 75 minus 5, 70, 175 minus 75, 100, 369 minus 175, 360 minus 175, 194, 671 minus 369, 302. These are the values of delta square y. Next one, delta cube y. Delta cube y. The values of delta cube y are 70 minus 4, 100 minus 70, 194 minus 100, 302 minus 194. We will get delta cube y are 66, 30, 94, 108. Next, delta power 4 by fourth order differentiation of pi 30 minus 66 minus 36. 94 minus 30, 64. 14. 108 minus 94, 14. Delta power 5 of 5. Until the end we will do. Until the one value we will get 100. 64 minus of minus 36. 100. 14 minus 64. 14 minus 64 is minus 50. Last one, delta power 6 of 5 minus 150. Minus 150. Minus 50 minus 100 minus 150. This is the Newton forward differentiation table. We will write the values of x and the values of y, the corresponding first order difference, second order difference, third order difference, fourth order difference, fifth order difference, sixth order difference. The values are this one. In the problem, we will use these values. Forward differentiation means we will use this one and this one and this value, delta cube of y naught, delta power 4 of y naught, delta power 5 of y naught, delta power 6 of y naught. Forward differentiation in the formula, we will use this one. Okay, they are asking the value of at x equal to 0.5. What is the value of h in this problem? The value of h equal to x1 minus x0. The value of x1 is 1, x0 is 0. 1 minus 0, that equal to 1. Next, the value of u. The formula is up to delta power 6, we have to write this one. The formula for this one is this one. The Newton formula, Newton forward interpolation formula is this one. Y of x equal to up to delta power 6, I am going through it. Observe, y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught. Next, u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta power 4 y naught. Next one, plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3 into u minus 4 by 5 factorial into delta power 5 y naught. Here delta power 6 term is also there. So we have to write that one also. U into u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3 into u minus 4 into u minus 5 by 6 factorial into delta power 6 y naught. This is the formula and so on. We will use that formula here. The value of h is x1. Difference between these two. The h is difference between any two successive terms. So 5 minus 4 or 6 minus 5. x1 minus x0. 1 minus 0. The value of h is 1. Next we have to compute the value of u. x0 plus uh equal to, what is the value? What value they are asking? 0.5. x0 plus equal to 0.5. h equal to 0.5 minus the value of x0 is 0. The value of h is 1. That equal to 0.5. The value of u equal to 0.5. We know that the value of h and u, we will substitute all these values in this one. Next we will see the expression, substitution expression in this one. If I substitute the value of h and u in this equation, we will get this one. Y of x equal to y of 0.5 equal to y naught plus the value of y naught is 0 plus y naught plus u into delta y naught. The value of u is 0.5. Here we are computing the value of u 0.5. U into delta of y naught 1 plus u into u minus 1. 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 by 2 into 2 factorial is 2 into delta square y naught 4 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 3 factorial is 6 into delta cube y naught 66 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3. U is 0.5 by 4 factorial is 24 into delta power 4 by naught minus 36 plus minus 5 into minus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 minus 2, 0.5 minus 3, 0.5 minus 4 by 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 120 into delta power 5 by naught. This is the value of delta power 5 by naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2, u minus 3, u minus 4, u minus 5 by 6 factorial. 6 factorial is 720. Delta power 6 by naught minus 150. Next term onwards, delta power 7 by naught, all of them are 0. That's right, no need to write here. But after simplifying this expression using calculator, once again I am repeatedly saying, calculator is must to solve this type of equations. Okay, 0 plus 0.5 minus 0.5, 4.125 plus 1.40625. This term equal to 2.73438 plus 3.07617. After simplifying this one, we will get the value 11.3418. Therefore, the last statement of the problem. Therefore, the value of y is 11.3418 at the value of x equal to 0.5. The solution to the problem is 11.3418 at the value of x equal to 0.5. Okay, these are the two problems in Newton forward interpolation method. The next two problems yourself will solve. Any doubt, if you have any queries, then call to me. Okay, one more thing is the notes for these two problems are available at the description of this video link. At the description of this video link, notes available. Some Google link is there. If you click that link means you will get the notes for these two problems. Okay, all of them solve the rest of the two problems and mail to mail ID. Any queries, call to me at the rate of my phone number is 9948585661. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.